Hello guys, today we are going to see the LeetCode question. Slowest key, that is 1629 number. A newly designed keypad was tested where a tester pressed a sequence of n keys at a time. They are given a string key pressed of length n here, and where key pressed I was the ith key pressed in the testing sequence, and a sorted list release times where release times I was the time the ith key was released. Both arrays are 0 indexed. 0th key was pressed at time 0 and released um, at key pressed and released at release time 0, and the key was pressed at the exact time the previous key was released. Tester want to know the key of the key press that has longest duration, and the ith key pressed had a duration of release time I minus release time I minus 1. We have to return the lexicographically largest key of the key press. So here the first key is released at 9, second key is released at 29. That means second key was pressed for 20 seconds, and third key was pressed for 20 seconds, fourth key was pressed for 1 second. So B and C are the two keys which are pressed for 20 seconds. We have to return lexicographically largest, so C is returned. So let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. First, a vector pair of int and char is taken, and a maxi to store the maximum difference between the two intervals. Starting is equal to 0, and if I equal to 0, as the starting time is 0, so first we have to store we have to push back release time I minus starting, and in the char the key pressed I is passed, which is the corresponding character. And if I equal to 0, then we have to find here st is given because first initial starting time is 0, and we have to continue. And for the rest of the items we have to find this maximum of the previous starting I, and we have to make start equal to I after each of the iterations, because where I would be at this position in the array, then its previous position will be the start. So release time I minus release time start would give us the time interval between the consecutive indexes, and we have to store the maximum value, and we have to push back all these values along with the character. And a vector char tp is taken, and if the it dot first equal to max, we have to push all the elements, that is it dot second, into the vector tp, and we have to sort it in the descending order, and the lexicographically largest character will be present at the 0th index, so we have to return it. So this is the code. Thank you.